This video explains the tutorial on wirelessly connecting the MOVNORM series monitor to the Sony PXW-Z380 camera via Wi-Fi. First, set up the camera. Long press menu to open the camera menu. Select Network. Then Wireless LAN. Change settings to access point-to-point for GHz. Select camera SSID and password. And check and note down the SSID password for the subsequent monitoring connection operation. Then return to the upper menu. Select Network Setup. And choose Show Authentication to check and note down the local device's username and password for the subsequent monitored connection operation. Next, perform the connection operation on the monitor. Click the screen to bring up the menu. Click Camera, select and turn on Wi-Fi. Click Add New Device. Select the local device. Enter the SSID password correctly. Click OK. Then enter the local device's username and password correctly. And click OK to complete the connection successfully. In the control panel, click Rec to start and stop camera recording. Click Iris to adjust the aperture size. Click Shutter to adjust the shutter angle and shutter speed. Click ISO to adjust the ISO value. Click FOCI, and under the AF gear, turn on touch focus to control the camera's focus point on the monitor. Click Zoom to control the camera's zoom. Click CT to adjust the screen's color temperature. Click ND to adjust the neutral density value. Click Shortcut keys to enable the functions corresponding to the shortcut keys. The above is the entire content of the tutorial on wirelessly connecting the MOVNORM series monitor to the Sony PXW-Z380 camera via Wi-Fi.